You may have lost things, but not you. You've changed. Yes, you've been through things that left you questioning your worth. But underneath all the noise, the real you, the strong, capable, worthy you, never left. Believing in yourself again starts with remembering that. You don't have to be who you were before. Renewal begins with acceptance, with saying, "This is me now, and that's enough to begin." Belief isn't a switch you flip. It's a seed you water. Every small act of self-respect, every promise you keep to yourself, rebuilds the trust that life tried to take. It's about taking that first tiny step, like journaling one thought, taking one deep breath of fresh air, or simply acknowledging your effort for the day. Each action tells your inner self, "I'm here for you." That's how the soil for self-belief is prepared. When you've been hurt or lost your way, it's easy to forget who you are. But identity isn't something you find, it's something you rebuild piece by piece. Ask yourself, what makes me feel alive? Maybe it's listening to a certain kind of music, getting lost in a creative project, or reconnecting with a friend who truly sees you. What values still guide me? Honesty, kindness, courage. Every answer is a brick in the foundation of your new self. You're not replacing who you were, you're rediscovering the parts of you that have always been there, waiting to be seen again. Believing in yourself isn't about pretending you're unshakable. It's about trusting that you'll stand back up when you fall. Think about it. You've survived every version of your worst day. You've proven your strength more times than you realize. That resilience is your evidence. So start speaking to yourself like someone you still believe in, with kindness, with encouragement, with patience. Remind yourself of your capacity to endure and overcome. That version of you, the one that's waiting for your trust, is ready to be heard. You may have lost things, but not you. The belief you're searching for isn't gone. It's just buried beneath old pain. Dust it off, nurture it, and let it grow again. Because the moment you choose to trust yourself, you begin to rise. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this resonated with you, please consider subscribing for more content on rediscovering your strength. You've got this.